Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another TeslaTunity, and today we're going to find out what the best device is to use for your TeslaCam and Sentry Mode video recordings. So come along with me and check it out. Alright, so for the longest time I've used these two, probably have to get that one in even closer, these two very simple solutions. One, just a 64 gigabyte USB thumb drive. This is about $11 on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description down below if you'd like to pick up this one. I've had it for about a year, no issues whatsoever. Now, realizing this is a dash cam and there's continuous writing of new video, I switched my car out. So my wife's kept using this. We've run 2 tests at once. And I switched out to this guy. It's a Samsung high endurance card. This setup's about $28. And it's a purpose-built card for dash cam application. So before we go any further in this video, technically speaking, this is all you need. 28 bucks, 11 bucks, you are good to go. In fact, if you like the $11 one, you get 2 of them. Keep one extra one in the car in case the first one gets corrupted. So you're always ready to go. You're still in for just over 20 bucks. Now, that's great, and it works well. In fact, it works perfectly fine. You don't need any more than this. But if you follow me on social, you might remember a couple weeks ago I got a door ding out of nowhere. And I was dying to know if it was the car next to me. But the problem with these is, well, you got to plug them into your computer. Maybe with your phone if you can get creative. But really, truth be told, these are going to only really work with your computer. Again, maybe an Android phone, but I'm an iPhone user. So I was left in the dark. I just didn't know. So again, you're in really good shape here. You've got the video. You will know what happened, but you've got to go to your computer and check it out. So hang on one second. This guy, brand new, the Roadie. This is about $100 here. Same storage as these, 64 gigabytes. But this thing's basically a mini computer. It's called a Raspberry Pi, if you're familiar with those. The little card is, there you go, you can kind of see it in there. So this thing wirelessly connects to your phone. You can leave it in the car, you don't have to even take it out. It manages all of its space on its own, and really, you just plug it in and forget you ever had it. And you download the nice app on your Android or iOS phone, and you can watch videos in real time. So really nice if you get that door ding and you want to know immediately what happened. But again, hefty price to pay. So I'm going to take you for a spin on this thing. It's brand new. This is a new case that fits the Jeda Hub. I'll show you what that looks like in the car. Highly recommend the Jeda Hub for your USB ports because you're going to need an extra one to run something like this. And so let's take it for a spin and see how it does. Alright, so you get back in your car and you see you have a Sentry Mode event report. So go ahead and grab your phone and open the Roadie app. When you first install the Roadie, it will walk you through the initial setup. From there, you just connect each time you open the app. I have had some intermittent issues connecting, but ultimately it always does connect. Once you're in, the app will open to the Recent tab. You can move over to Save Videos, or in our case, we're going to take a look at Sentry Videos. You'll see thumbnails for each of the 10 minutes of footage. And then simply tap on it to open it and get the full video. As the video plays, you'll see it definitely buffers for me over the AT&T LTE connection. It's a little choppy and a little slow, but ultimately it all gets there. If you let it play all the way through, you will be able to play it at full speed after everything fully downloads. As we go, you'll see there are some synchronization issues with the video footage. Somehow I'm in front of the car and behind the car at the same time. But again, not the end of the world. I'm getting all 4 cameras, crystal clear footage, and I'm able to see what happened. Alright, so that's the brand new Roadie. My lasting impression, really cool. Really happy to have this and happy to have that app. There's a great developer behind it. It's a one-man show. It's going to keep improving, so I'm really satisfied with this thing. Now, it is $100. I paid for it. This isn't a sponsored video by any means. And I'm very happy to have spent that $100. I'm very happy with this device. If you don't want to spend $100, if you don't think you need to have the video footage in real time, just having it is all you need, yeah, you can't go wrong with these solutions for $28 or $11. So get what works best for you and what works for your budget, but I'm really happy with this thing and probably pick up another one for my wife. So that's all we have for you today. Catch you on the next one, everyone. Bye.